Seed sowing is a simple and cheap way to raise new plants. But where most people come unstuck is that they either sow the seed too shallowly or too deeply. But with some simple, straightforward tips, we can make sure that you get seed sowing right time after time. The crucial thing to remember is the depth that you plant those seeds at. So take these large courgette seeds, for example. These large seeds, similar to marrows, pumpkins, also runner and French beans, are large enough to be pushed directly into the compost. Take an individual seed, turn it on its side and push it directly about 3 times its depth into the compost. Repeat it. I've got 3 pots here that have been filled with compost, and then simply tap the pot to consolidate the compost around the seed. Water, put in a warm position, and they'll germinate in about 10 days' time. Simple.